You look more like a Star Wars character.
I do want to feel like a Darth Vader.
Luke, I am your father.
We are here today to do a twack hack, which is do-it-yourself hazmat suits. We are going to use ponchos. We also got our matching masks. We got some tape, and we also got some gloves. We got glow sticks.
Oh yeah, I gotta have those.
You're gonna need some toilet paper.
We're basing this on solid science, I'm sure.
Which, side note, not guaranteed that actually works. So we're gonna get this poncho out, and this is gonna be like the suit tape the hood onto the mask. We're gonna put the toilet paper on the inside where our mouth and nose goes.
What about using like a bleach wipe? Probably poisonous, huh?
Breathe in a bleach wipe.
Yeah, sure, why not? I breathe in worse.
You do want to spray these with some type of sanitizer. Take that shit in there and make sure that it's sealed tight, because remember, if there's openings, the virus can get in. We probably also should have used hand sanitizer before we touched all this stuff that was gonna go on our face, but we're not that worried about it, obviously.
Speak for yourself, I use bleach wipe.
So once you got it all sealed in your mask like this, yeah, I have it taped all over. It's all around the toilet paper. And the toilet paper is completely covering all these holes right there. Ignore the eye sockets. You want to make this fit around the mask so that nothing gets in. So you want to tape it nice and good and just seal it. It lets bad things in if you don't seal it. It should end up coming out like this, sealed on the back. I have it sealed underneath. Oh yeah, you also need long sleeves, because I'm pretty sure these ponchos don't go all the way down your arm.
We're fighting the pandemic on a budget.
Yeah, so these ones are blue, so they are for you.
Awesome.
So I guess these hazmat suits are only for ages 3+, because that's what the glow sticks say.
Yep.
Don't quote us on that. If you have a 5-year-old that suffocates in this, we're not responsible.
Yep.
Because we just warned you, you could suffocate.
Look at you.
Yeah, it looks like a heart or a butt.
I'm going with the butt. You just leave mine like that.
With one sticking out.
Yeah, totally. All right,
so we got our hazmat suits.
Yep.
I like it. The gloves. Where are they?
Time to shoot up.
Yeah.
Wreak some havoc. Should we have a safety word? Oh wait, sorry, wrong show.
To get this on properly.
Push this thing down.
Oh yeah, I didn't really think of that.
Obviously.
Oh, I have it on backwards too.
Yeah, and she's the smart one. Hey cousin. Suffocate. Suffocate. Arms up. Awesome.
In case you won't recognize me, this is what I look like now.
Right. I feel protected.
I feel protected too.
I feel like
I feel very safe right now.
I feel like I'm wearing a giant condom or something.
Right? It's like a giant condom.
But for germs. Instead of germs.
Can you wear this during Black Sheep business? We are ready to go shopping here at Foodmat. Also, even if you don't think this will work as a hazmat suit, it's definitely a good arts and crafts project for this.
Halloween costume, perhaps?
Shit, Halloween costume? Yeah, we got you covered.
You can write on the front of it, I survived the pandemic of 2020.
Using this